Welcome, here's my Livery Viewer program. I'm just gonna try to blast through this as fast as possible. I haven't written a script, so bear with me. This is a Livery Viewer program. I created it to streamline the process and workflow between livery artist and client. Basically, you don't have to have the game launched or even use the game, deleting files, DDS, all that crap. You don't have to worry about that. You can just use this and add logos, add PNGs, kind of like Armor Paint. You can just view liveries here, you can communicate, text chat, there's all sorts of crap, social networks kind of stuff. But anyway, whenever you land, you're in the 3D space. Here's the car here. You can select what car you want from the drop down. This is the default one, so it's at the top of the list. Once you're in the 3D space, you can move your mouse normally to access the UI. Each model has an in-game image and a quick description of it. I've also got a console here that you can use if you want to do shortcuts. Right click and you can move the camera around. Anyway, let's start on the left. This is the Liveries Network Garage. You can create a profile, join teams, share liveries chat, all that kind of stuff. You've also got the wireframe database, so you can click this guy and it brings up all the wireframes for every single model here. And I've got the livery database, which is your database. So every time you upload or save one, you click on this guy and it'll bring up your database, or you can click on this guy here. This is your garage with your liveries as well. Notes, save files, and logos, that kind of thing. Notes section here, you can actually do it anywhere on the screen. So I can write a note anywhere, take a screenshot, whatever, and that'll be on the screenshot. As far as screenshots go, you can use the screenshot button, or you can just simply hit Shift Z or Z for everybody else, and that'll do a screenshot, and that'll go directly to your desktop. Or you can hit the screenshot button, that goes to your desktop, or you can hit Shift X, which will connect to the Discord hook that you've set up to whatever channel you want it to drop in. And that I'll bring up a picture of what my livery bot looks like. You can kind of go through and pick what category, class, whatever. You can just kind of search through a social network kind of thing. You can switch cameras as well. So say, you're in here and you've got somebody designing for you, and you've got the Audi R8, and you're thinking like, hey, I need to check a livery on this. So let's adjust the lighting real quick because that's a little blown out. So we'll go to room lighting and we'll just tone it down a little bit and make sure the spotlight's off as well. And so let's say you want to check a new livery for this. You just simply go to your upload button, and I've already got it here waiting. Just search through, find whatever one you want, click on this guy, and it'll be applied on the model if you selected the right model and the right decals.png. So now you can zoom in here, you can look at it from any angle you want, and get a good look at the livery the designer's done for you. You can also raise and lower the backdrop. You can change the color of it. You can even upload a background image if you want to take like a nice clean team shot, or say you want to like show this in the Discord or wherever you want to take a nice clean shot of it. Or you can take notes and actually have the notes. Oh, I forgot to click that. Actually have the notes, in the screenshot as well. You can actually zoom in and back out as well with the notes on screen. It's basically just a transparent like window you can draw on. So anyway, once you've done that, get your shot ready, get it lined up. You want this nice clean shot. You can go ahead and take a screenshot. You can get rid of this guy to make it clean. See how I got the bottom there? That doesn't look clean, so I zoom in like this maybe, and then boom, there's my screenshot. Hit escape to bring it back. Reset the model, like I said. Adjust the lighting if you want. Also the current 2D. So this decals.png, if you want to see it again, just hit the current button here and it'll show you which one you've got, and you can click make it go away. So I'm going to get rid of the backdrop. It's basically as far as those features go. Environmental controller, rain, snow, fog, and like bright sun, crap like that. You can just kind of play around with these. Once you've gone into your garage and you've added, say, some logos, so say you wanted to add a couple of like these guys on here, you can do that, and using like the gizmos or whatever the hell, and place it, and then you can bake it and export it, and that'll bring you a new one of these guys with it added on the decals.png. So you can do that. It's kind of like Armor Paint, but just not quite as extensive as Armor Paint, just kind of a little extra feature. If you want to just use the console, you can also go onto the console. You can type in help, and Oh, I accidentally hit another button there. You can type in help and it'll bring up all the commands, and say I wanted to see the liveries that I have uploaded, it'll tell me here. I've shared one. You know, you can check your team, stuff like that. Your profile, which you could also click here. Here's the help button, kind of gives you some things here. I used to actually have the backdrop was an actual room that would drop, and you would like kind of go into a different room, but I've changed it since then, so I gotta change that. But it's pretty much it as far as features as I can think, and without drawing this out any longer, because like I said, I'm winging this and I don't really want to record this again because this is my 15th attempt. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it as far as features go. And you can exit going down the hallway if you want, and you can also use this system over here, which I haven't finished yet, but different buttons take you to different things, and if you click this guy, it takes you to the website. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as yeah, bye.